In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write in Docusign. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out with this powerful tool, understanding how to add text fields to your documents can significantly improve your document management process. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Docusign's website or app. Once you're there, sign in with your credentials to access your dashboard. If you're new to Docusign, you might consider spending a few moments exploring the interface to get familiar with where things are. It's intuitive, but knowing your way around can save a lot of time in the long run. Next, you'll want to locate the Agreements section in the main menu. Here, you have two options. You can either create a new agreement from scratch, or select an existing one to modify. For today's demonstration, I'll be working with an existing document to show you how to add a text field efficiently. Using an existing document can be particularly useful if you have templates or forms that frequently require information to be filled out. After selecting the document, you'll be taken to the Editing tab. This is where you can make magic happen. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a toolbar with various field options. Look for the text field icon, which is usually represented by a T or something similar, depending on updates to the interface. Click on the text field icon, hold it, and then drag it to the precise spot on your document where you need text entry. This dragging and dropping action is one of the most user-friendly aspects of Docusign, allowing you to customize your document setup exactly how you need it. As you drag, you'll notice how the field seems to magnetically align with other elements in your document, which helps keep everything neat and orderly. Once your text field is in place, you can resize it according to how much text you anticipate needing. Docusign allows for flexibility here, so feel free to adjust until you're satisfied with how it looks. If at any point you need to make changes, simply click on the text field to reposition or resize. It's also worth mentioning that you can add multiple text fields if your document requires them. This feature is great for contracts that require input in various sections. Before finalizing, double-check that all text fields are correctly positioned and that the document as a whole appears well organized. And that's it! You have now successfully learned how to add a text field in Docusign. This is a core feature that will make your digital documentation more dynamic and accessible. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on using Docusign effectively. Happy signing!